Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. So now across the board in Forex market and gold we have approximately same performance, very similar, but gold looks a bit stronger, and as we said, in general it reacts well, not as strongly on the negative factors and resists really well, and it shows the main small retracement on the daily chart and better upward performance. So currently we still have the mid-term bearish trading plan, bearish context, is because we have weekly grabber that sooner or later would suggest taking out of these lows and completion of this 1680 COP target, retesting of these lows. So that's why currently in this moment, besides, as you can see, trend stands bearish, and in this moment we're treating the pullback only as a retracement. We're not considering that this is something continuation of this leg or upward reversal. Maybe it could become the continuation and a reversal, but probably for that purpose we need to get corresponding fundamental background. For instance, if Jerome Powell announced the quantitative easing policy on Wyoming, but this is just a joke. So that's why currently we're mostly focused on the areas where we could consider taking a short position. Scalp traders could use the same setups for trading on a very lower time frames, I mean 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, but we do not consider this because when I'm just post this update, probably this chance for trading will be already passed, and that's why I'm not focused too much on trading on very small time frames. And besides, we are mostly dealing with the daily, weekly trends, and that's why our analysis mostly relates to these time frames. If you remember, yesterday on the 4 time frame chart, we were talking about the confluence, and we said that market is completing the XOP. Theoretically, this area might be considered for retaking the short position here. And currently, you can see market is trying to break it up and challenging this area. So probably your positions, if you have taken any, already is closed at the break-even, just because market has shown few downside pullbacks once the XOP has been reached, and usually we move stops to the break-even when it happens, and the pullback from the points where we're taking the position. And then, since market already stands above the XOP that we discussed and above the confluence, you probably should be out of the market already. Since we have more or less strong performance, some theoretical chances exist that market still could turn down right from here, from the confluence, and start dropping. But it seems that chances are growing that it could proceed higher to the next area, 1770, 1777. This will be next level. Why? Because on the hourly chart, if you take a look at the extensions, it will show you as first of all, what is our initial A, B, C, D pattern. XOP was standing right here, so it has tested once. Second bottom, second test pullback, XOP has been completed. Pullback here for is approximately $6-7 per contracts. And take a look what has happened next. Market turns up, breaking the XOP, moving higher. It means that we have to use larger scale ABCD patterns to set the next target. And if you use this major ABCD, it shows 1769. And if you will use small crescent ABCD minor, it shows the XOP stands also at 1769. So besides right there, if you were careful enough, you could recognize reverse head and shoulders pattern. When market was not able to start dropping after XOP has been completed and turns up, that will be bullish reversal pattern. And it also, its target suggests that it will be right there. This target in turn is very close to the resistance. That's why if you do not have any short positions, I think that you could just do nothing and wait when the market will hit next resistance area, and then consider possible taking a position around the 1770. So at these moments, this initial setup that we talked with the conference has provided us only minor reactions. So with this triple pullback from the level, but final market still has broken it up. For position long term, with the taking the long position, well, theoretically, if you trade on a very low time frames, you could consider some minor retracement on this most recent upward swing with the target around 1770. But this is not our primary object.